This clip begins with officers approaching a suspect during a tense confrontation. Almost immediately, the situation escalates. The suspect points a firearm directly at the officers. You'll hear repeated commands. "Drop the gun. Show me your hands." Officers warn him and try to de-escalate, but the suspect bangs the weapon on a wall and then displays it again. Within seconds, officers move to take control. You'll hear them confirm the suspect is down, lying on his back with his hands at his sides, and then immediately focus on securing the scene and locating the firearm. They call for cover and medical assistance, while one officer asks everyone to help identify the exact location of the gun. This audio shows how quickly a routine contact can turn dangerous, and it highlights the immediate priorities for responding officers. Stop the threat, secure any weapon, and render aid if anyone is hurt. Now, let's listen to the full clip to hear the radio and body cam audio as it happened.
Don't move! He just pointed the gun at me, motherfucker.
Just pointed the gun at us. We're in the garage. 311 second.
I can't see over here. Cover that window.
We're out the light.
Yeah. I'm gonna fucking kill you if you come out here. Show me your hands now. Show me your hands. You're gonna get bit by a dog. Drop the gun and show me your hands. Come on, man. You haven't done anything wrong tonight.
Why are you fucking after me?
Because you've done some other things.
What?
Just put the gun down. We can talk about it.
Like what?
I'm gonna get it.
Tell me what I'm getting arrested for.
Right now, just for running.
Bullshit. What else?
Yeah, I'm gonna come to you.
Get out. Back up. Back up.
Flip.
Come on. Right here. He's behind the shed. Right there behind the shed. Right there behind the shed.
Is he down? Yeah, he's down. He's down. Give him commands.
He's on his back. His hands are out to his side.
Where's he going?
I don't know. It was in his right hand. He banged it on the wall and then he came out and presented it.
I got you. Hey, hold him now.
We're good. We're good. Where's the gun at? Hey, dude, we need to get you some help. Tell me where the gun is.
We don't have one.
All right, 40. Hey, crawl towards me now. Crawl towards me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stow it, yeah. Here. Come on, give me cover, guys. Get up here. Do you see the gun? Is it still on his waistline? All right, let's move up to him then.